In many organizations, teams operate in silos. Departments function independently with little collaboration between them. While specialization is important, a lack of communication across teams can slow down innovation, reduce efficiency, and create frustration among employees. Breaking down silos and fostering cross-functional teams is essential for organizations that want to be agile, collaborative, and competitive in today's fast-paced business world. What are silos in organizations? A silo occurs when departments or teams work in isolation, focusing only on their own goals rather than the organization's overall mission. Silos can emerge due to hierarchical structures, poor communication, or even cultural barriers within a company. While some level of specialization is necessary, extreme silos lead to inefficiencies, misalignment, and duplication of work. Common causes of silos: lack of communication and transparency between departments, competing priorities that do not align with company-wide goals, resistance to change and deeply ingrained departmental cultures, physical separation of teams, especially in large or remote organizations. The impact of silos on business performance: slower decision-making due to lack of cross-departmental collaboration, reduced innovation as teams fail to share insights and best practices, customer experience issues when different departments do not coordinate effectively, increased operational inefficiencies and redundant work. The power of cross-functional teams. A cross-functional team is a group composed of members from different departments who collaborate on a shared goal or project. These teams bring together diverse skill sets and perspectives, leading to faster problem-solving and more creative solutions. Key benefits of cross-functional teams. 1. Enhanced innovation. Different perspectives lead to fresh ideas and unique problem-solving approaches. 2. Faster decision-making. Collaboration across departments reduces delays in approvals and execution. 3. Improved customer experience. Teams working together create seamless end-to-end customer solutions. 4. Higher employee engagement. Employees feel more connected to the company's vision and learn from other disciplines. Best practices for building cross-functional teams. 1. Clearly define goals and objectives. Ensure that all team members understand the purpose of the cross-functional initiative. Set clear expectations and measurable outcomes. 2. Appoint strong leadership. Designate a team leader or facilitator who can bridge gaps between departments. Encourage leadership that values open communication and problem-solving. 3. Foster a culture of collaboration. Create opportunities for informal and formal cross-team interactions. Use collaboration tools such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Asana to keep teams aligned. 4. Encourage open communication. Hold regular meetings where team members can share updates and challenges. Promote transparency by making project goals and timelines accessible to everyone. 5. Empower employees to make decisions. Give cross-functional teams the autonomy to make key decisions within their projects. Reduce bureaucratic barriers that slow down execution. 6. Measure success and iterate. Track performance metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of cross-functional teams. Learn from past initiatives and refine team structures based on feedback. Case studies of successful cross-functional teams. 1. Apple's product development process. Apple's cross-functional teams involve designers, engineers, marketers, and supply chain managers working together from the very beginning of product development. This approach ensures a seamless transition from idea to market-ready product. 2. Spotify's Agile Squads. Spotify organizes its workforce into squads, which are autonomous, cross-functional teams working on specific features or projects. This structure enables faster innovation and continuous improvements to their platform. 3. Tesla's integration of engineering and manufacturing. Tesla's close collaboration between engineering and production teams allows for rapid iteration and seamless integration of new technologies into their vehicles. Final thoughts. Breaking silos and fostering cross-functional teams is essential for companies that want to remain competitive, agile, and innovative. By encouraging open communication, appointing strong leadership, and aligning team goals with company objectives, organizations can create a collaborative environment that drives success. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to measure the effectiveness of organizational design and optimize team structures for long-term growth.